everyone, welcome to Aurora Hotels. This is the monthly forecast for July 2021. You can look this up for sun, moon, and rising sign. This is a general reading, so to book your personal reading, please find my details in the description section below. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to hear monthly updates and more oracle readings. I have also put a wishlist link in the description section below, and your contribution would help me to build more content and support my practice. So I have the cards laid out over here. I have changed the construct a little bit this time. So we have the main theme, what you need to release, something new coming this month. Then I have the two timelines. So we have the first half of the month and then we have the second half of the month. And we will get to understand the events that would happen during this timeline. And of course, we have the love reading for both singles and people who are in a relationship or married. So we have Two of Cups and Cleansing Waters in the main theme. Very positive card for relationships, and there are already good cards in the relationship reading as well. So I'll take up the relationship reading first. Two of Cups can suggest that you may have reached the stage wherein you are ready to commit in your relationship or even may decide to get married. Two of Cups, for some, may be getting engaged. For singles, it could even mean a proposal coming up. Two of Cups could also mean a truce being called and healing is setting in. So if you are single, you could be patching up with your ex, or if you are married and separated, you could actually patch up and there could be balance and harmony returning in your relationship. I feel this breakup could have happened due to families being involved on either side, and there was an altercation or a fight from both the sides which could have landed in a separation. If this has not happened, I would definitely suggest avoid any kind of conflict between families and try and resolve issues amongst yourself. If you're unattached, you may find someone in a family function or at a friend's party. This oracle card over here brilliantly complements the energy of Two of Cups. So this is specifically for people who have been separated and now planning to come back. It is very critical for you to heal yourself, purify yourself and your surroundings. It is time to clear your environment, clear the clutter, clear the old grudges, release the old beliefs or any stagnant energy which is holding you back. So let's come to what you need to release this month. We have Moon and Taking Shelter. I think this is more from a precursor of what has already happened. That is, there could have been something hidden or could have been under wraps that came out or is coming out, and something which was very unexpected or even a deception. A couple who've been separated may come across some hidden information which they were not aware of and may decide to patch up. If you have been through some kind of a deception, it is really time for you to gain strength and accept what has happened and let it go. We already saw the oracle card over here, which is Cleansing Waters. It is now telling you to heal yourself and let go of what has happened. Give yourself some time. Taking Shelter is all about protecting yourself when you're feeling vulnerable. So take your time out and feel better soon. Let's come to what's coming new this month. We have Ace of Pentacles here. Ace of Pentacles is all about new beginnings in your financial situation and maybe a new opportunity coming your way which could help you or benefit you financially. So it could be a job offer or an idea that will bring you huge success, or some kind of a message which will bring you abundance. So there is prosperity on the cards. This looks like a good time to start new and establish a secure foundation for yourself. Ace of Pentacles not only means taking care of yourself financially, but Ace of Pentacles also mean to take care of yourself emotionally and mentally as well. Let's move to the first half of the month. There is Six of Pentacles, Queen of Swords reversed, and Ten of Swords. Someone may reach out for some help and you may need to loan out some money, or you may be involved in some kind of a charity work as well. It could also mean you may take someone under your wing and may support someone's financial needs, be it education, health, career aspirations, some kind of financial help you may provide. With Queen of Swords reversed over here, it indicates that there may be issues with problem solving and communication. Queen of Swords in a reverse position can mean that there could be accusations being made at you, or you may be making some accusations without checking the facts. Also be very cautious of communication, be it on emails, be it on calls, or be it on messages, or just speaking to another person. You may be misunderstood and you may be coming out as overtly emotional at this point of time. With Ten of Swords here, I do see some kind of a betrayal coming in. Seems like two women to me. However, there is an apology coming in from both of them. With Two of Cups, Six of Pentacles, there may be some kind of a forgiveness required. So I think you will need to forgive anybody who's hurt you in the past and move on. Let's move to the second half of the month. We have Ace of Swords and Magician. I think you just have the magic in you. Victory is coming your way. If there's a difficult situation, you would be able to come out successfully. However, use your resources well. Don't let yourself cut short your ability to solve the problem. And don't let yourself dwell in self-doubt. You have all that it takes to come out successfully. With this Magician card, you will be able to pull through all difficulties with effective communication. So just be a little diplomatic, just be assertive, and you will be a winner all the way. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and you were able to resonate with this reading, please give a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Keep watching. Much love.